Source: Jerry Hilden Brand, Android Central. What you need to know. Just a few days after receiving UK regulatory approval for its new initiative, Google officially announced its new privacy sandbox for Android on Wednesday. It's a multi-year initiative that will limit sharing of user data with third parties and operate without cross-app identifiers, including advertising. Essentially, Google wants to eliminate covert data collection and secret ad profiles of its Android customers while still offering targeted advertising so free apps remain profitable. According to Google, the new mobile privacy push threatens to derail the entire Play Store system, where over 90% of the apps are. Android 13 Preview 1. What's new? What's coming in the next version of Android? Check out our hands-on with the first Android 13 Tiramisu developer preview build. 0 seconds of 54 seconds, volume 0%. In a completely unsubtle reference to Apple, Google noted how other platforms have taken a different approach to ads privacy, bluntly restricting existing technologies used by developers and advertisers, and claims this approach is ineffective. Sponsored links. KX in Shuban Babe Fan Clue Wi-Fi and Karim Zeeks or Hi Frexem. SANSIRI. Referencing a blog post written by former Apple employees claiming Apple's app tracking transparency doesn't actually prevent third-party tracking connection attempts, Google suggests its privacy approach will be better. Google has pushed various solutions for this problem, including the cookie-replacing Flock ads and its Topics API. But following advertisers' negative reaction to Flock, Google plans to use Privacy Sandbox to regularly float its new ideas directly to advertisers and solicit feedback, avoiding another public failure. Whatever happens with the Privacy Sandbox, Google's current ad standards will remain in place for at least 2 years. So any eventual changes will likely skip Android 13 and 14. But it will release a beta for its new advertising program by the end of the year, and could quickly make its way to Chrome on Android phones in some form soon. Have you listened to this week's Android Central podcast? Every week, the Android Central podcast brings you the latest tech news, analysis and hot takes with familiar co-hosts and special guests. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. 5G ain't all it's cracked up to be. Ex-Google CEO thinks 5G in the US is a joke, calls out at. An article penned by a Harvard professor and Google's former CEO highlights how the US has fallen behind in 5G. Make the Razr great again. Motorola Razr 3, top 6 features we want to see. We never got a Razr successor in 2021, but we're expecting Motorola to release the Razr 3 at some point this year. These are just some of the points we hope Motorola gets right with its next foldable. Tips and tricks. Here's how to get a Samsung Galaxy S22 for $200 or much less. It doesn't matter if you've got an old cracked phone lying around or one that's in perfectly good condition. We've got some tips and tricks that'll get you a new Galaxy's 22 for much less than the asking cost. Maybe even free. Charging on the go. These are the best Google Pixel 6 card chargers right now. In celebration of the new Google Pixel 6 hitting shelves, we've rounded up a list of the best USB-C compatible card chargers for Google Pixel 6 on the market right now.